third-party risk management is often coined as other duties as assigned rather than having dedicated functions behind them. And so this particular client was getting ready to spend about $35,000. They're a mid-market financial services insurance company on a GRC tool to help their third-party vendor risk management team really get rid of some of the toil that is a part of their job, right? Questionnaires, processing those questionnaires, reporting on those questionnaires. And they're really saying, hey, these are the problems that we're struggling with. How can you help us, bring this to bear? And so true walking with them of their licensing features that they already have and showing them things such as the dynamic forms that you can use in Microsoft Forms. You can use Power Automate to process those responses as they come in and push them into various places. And then using Power BI to report on those things and have a really nice dashboard. They didn't actually end up spending any money at all. Other than the time invested on the product. So 6 months later, when I went back in and checked with that client, not only had they implemented my recommendations, but they had also obtained their Lean Six Sigma Green Belt because they had an internal program that measured the amount of process time that they had that they saved, and they saved over $25,000 a year with that target company. So the client was actually able to save $60,000 through a 1-hour Ask an Expert investment with an IANS faculty member.